Today we will discuss about how to use incognito or a private website in Opera browser. First of all, in the left corner you see there is a O means Opera icon is present. Simply click on it and there is some options are open. There is a new private windows option are there. Their shortcut keys control plus shift plus N to open. Now click on it. Simply there is a private browser is open by which you can search. Your search history will not be saved or you can not access your history which you can search there. You are in a private mode. In there you can easily search anything. There is a extra option of need for the privacy. Turn on VPN. If you want to turn on your VPN, you can use other websites which are blocked in your country. That you can use your incognito or a private browser in Opera. Thank you.